The scourge of the corruption that is plaguing the country has struck its ugly head in sports, with FIFA referee Aden Range caught up on camera receiving a $600 bribe, that is 60,000 shillings, in order to influence an outcome of an international football match. The stunning revelation was contained in an expose aired by BBC on Wednesday, as Marwa was exposed with dozens of other African match officials allegedly receiving cash, and the incident allegedly occurred at a hotel room during the 2018 African Nations Championship, the tournament held in Morocco. According to FIFA Marwa, who has denied wrongdoing, has resigned his World Cup posting, where he was scheduled to be an assistant referee. The match official was poised to earn at least 2.5 million shillings, but that is now up in smoke, as well as a 7-year career serving as a FIFA referee.
We will not condemn our referee because of a TV documentary. There is a process. FIFA has indicated it's looking at the allegations. Until such a time, Aden Marwa is not guilty. So we wait. If then he's found guilty, then we will take appropriate position from there.